I'm here in Jefferson, Texas. Really cool little town. Seems like the whole thing's from the 1800s. There's just a little side shot of the street. See little restaurants and antique stores. Here's a place sells cornbread sandwiches. We just had brisket. Here's the local buses. This looks like a tour bus. Across the street is an antique store. Of course, just like every other town in Texas, you have street vendors selling high-powered assault rifles. Oh wait, that's a hunting rifle or a sniper gun? Can't quite tell. Anyway, welcome to Jefferson, Texas.